Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many Windows users may encounter. The problem involves identifying and potentially changing the value set in a specific registry key using PowerShell or another scripting language. In this case, we are focusing on a scenario where we need to determine and modify the HideFileExt value under a certain registry path. Moving on to the solution, let's dive into the provided code snippet to address the issue at hand. The first part of the solution involves setting the variable $path to the registry key where the HideFileExt value is located. By using get item property value with a specified path and value name, we can retrieve the current status of HideFileExt and convert it to a more readable format, show or hide, for better understanding. Continuing with the solution, the next step is to modify the HideFileExt value to untick "Don't hide the extension type of the files." This is achieved by using set item property with a previously defined $path, setting the HideFileExt name, and assigning a value 0. By doing this, we effectively change the status of HideFileExt to ensure that file extensions are no longer hidden. In summary, we successfully addressed the problem of identifying and adjusting the HideFileExt value in a specific registry key using PowerShell. By following the provided code snippets, you can easily determine the current status of file extensions visibility and make the necessary changes. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech topics you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scripting.